Back with the Fox News Alert now as we bring you the very latest on Harvey. It's bringing new flood fears this morning as the tropical depression moves to Louisiana. But now the next phase begins in Texas, assessing the damage. Massive flooding destroyed over 100,000 homes. But when rebuilding begins, many homeowners could be in bigger trouble than they think.
That's right. Insurance experts are estimating that 80% of those in the storm's path do not have flood insurance. So what are these homeowners to do?
Joining us now is Fox News legal analyst and host of The Property Man, Bob Massi. So, Bob, a lot of people don't understand when you get homeowners insurance, you have to make sure you're covered for floods, right? If you live in a flood zone.
Well, let's try to differentiate. Now, flood insurance is available for people. There's a website you could go on. It's a national company, and you could buy flood insurance. And as a matter of, this is outside the homeowner's insurance. And a lot of lenders, by the way, require you to have flood insurance if you live in certain coastal towns and cities. So sometimes if you buy a home and you're in a coastal area that's subjective to, hurricanes, they require it. Saying that, let's differentiate floods. This is a natural disaster. However, let's say, for example, you have a pipe break in your house and your house is flooded. Now, homeowners insurance in that case, depending upon the time that you have, the kind of coverage you have, could cover that kind of flood. But with these people we're dealing with down there, if the homeowners insurance will not cover it.
Bob, flood insurance is not like Obamacare and with pre-existing conditions where you can call once you're flooded. So if your home is now flooded, you can't ask for flood insurance. What are the options for those 80%? What kind of support may they get?
Pete, you guys talked about it earlier. I mean, you have disaster funds. I think Texas, they have like $10 billion in disaster funds for these type of things. FEMA steps in, short-term loans. And a couple other things, if I may, Pete, and all of you. Look, when you buy a home or you have a home, you have homeowners insurance. Make sure that you videotape everything that's in your house. Understand, for example, in this case, let's say the automobiles that have been lost. Now, your auto insurance has comprehensive. They will cover the loss of fire, theft, flood damage, things like that. The auto insurance most likely will be able to give you money for the vehicles that you had. But these other type of things, a picture's worth 1,000 words, videos, pictures, when you have a house, take it in order to preserve whatever claims you may have. And generally, jewelry and those things are not covered unless you get a special rider on your homeowner's insurance.
Okay.
Wow. Thanks a lot, Bob. So much. We got to have you back because there's so many more facets we had to discuss. Bob Massi, thank you.